Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add XML sitemap to WordPress. Let's get started. So in this case, we need to head over to our plugin marketplace in order to install a plugin. So click on the search bar right here, and then on the search bar, search in here for XML sitemap. So let's search in here for that, and then we should be able to see some XML sitemap maps or apps that we can use in this case. So you just head over and scroll down until you can see the map that we are looking for. So we have in here this, so let's just head over and click on this XML sitemap and Google News. And then from in here, just head over and click on this install and activate. And now it is successfully install and activate this particular plugin. So as you can see, it's been installed. So let's head over and click on this manage plugin. And now you can see in here this XML sitemaps once we have managed it. Click on this view the XML sitemap, and then from in there you should be able to see its XML right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon.